Hi, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. Today is episode 3 of Changing My Life, and I will be doing all the work I have pending in the next 24 hours. Basically, the whole day, it will be a work day. So, let me tell you what I have to do today. First off, I will be studying Korean, which I always do for 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Right now it's 10 a.m., so probably until lunch I will be studying Korean. After that, what I have planned is doing the driving course for the license. I really want to get my license as soon as possible. Then I have to record a video and edit another one. Then this is the main task of today, is doing my graphic design portfolio finally, and also updating my Behance and starting Fiverr freelancing. This is my main goal since I've been procrastinating on not doing this graphic design portfolio, and when I finish this I will be able to actually send job application with my portfolio instead of just writing out my designs. Also, with the portfolio, I will be doing some brand identity fake projects to practice also, and also for the portfolio. Then afterwards, I will be doing some content planning for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I want to start posting on Instagram and TikTok as soon as possible since I've been also procrastinating on doing this, and also I didn't know what actually I want to transmit in these platforms. So I will be doing some research and doing some planning. And if I do end up finishing all of this, I want to start with my Figma course and start learning Figma since this is one of the programs I want to learn. Hopefully, I finish this course in the next week or 10 days, at least for the basics, and then it's just practice and practice. Anyways, that is the plan for today, and hopefully finish all of it. So let's just get into it, and good luck for me. Okay, so I finished learning Korean. I did my driving course, got my certificates, and then I recorded a video. I also scripted some videos before that. Just got out of the shower and I was content planning right now. Right now, I'm like content planning for YouTube. When I finish this, I will be focusing on Instagram and TikTok since I want to start uploading on those platforms. But this will probably take me like 1 to 2 hours. So let's just get into it quickly. Right now it's 4 p.m. and I'll update you when I finish. Alright, so it's already 10 p.m. It's been 12 hours since I started working and working and working, And guess what? I didn't actually finish all the tasks I had to do. I really expected too much of me. The thing is, content creation planning took me so long since I planned my YouTube content. Probably I will be just changing some little things as the time passes by since life events happens. As well as Instagram, I have already decided all my plan, all my strategy, and hoping it will work since it will be the first time I'm actually scheduling things for short form content. But yeah, I also didn't end up doing my graphic design portfolio. I didn't really have time. I'm literally so sleepy right now. So I'm just probably going to sleep, read, or just be watching TV until I fall asleep. But yeah, that was my 20 hours of deep work. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it gave you motivation, some kind of motivation. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.